Jai Shri Gurudev. Good morning, children. Hope you are all fine and safe. Children, we have successfully completed the first monthly test, and next we are moving to the next lesson, that is the 3 questions. This is the second unit in the prose, children. So, this is a story. The author of this lesson is Count Leo Tolstoy. Have you heard about him? Count Leo Tolstoy? Yes, he was a great author. He has written many books and he was a well-known poet and the author. So about Count Leo Tolstoy, he was a Russian and he was a novelist and moral philosopher. His War and Peace has been hailed as the greatest novel ever written. His abilities to weave stories, wonderful characters and his narrative capabilities are appreciated in every part of the world even to this day. So this is a short brief introduction about Count Leo Tolstoy. Children, if you observe this picture, you can see two people treating a wounded man. So what is the story? This story is completely based on about a king who have some doubts. He wanted to get answer for his 3 important questions. So before starting the lesson, let us know that in general we will discuss about the best time to do something. Children, what do you feel when is the best time to do something? So these are the questions for you people. You get the answers in your mind. When you start doing something, which is the best time you feel? The most important person in your life. So whom do you feel as the most important person in your life? And the most important thing to do in your life. What is the most important thing that you have to do in your life? So these are the questions which is for you. It is meant for you. You have to think about these things. Why I am asking these questions to you? Because even we have the same type of questions here for a king. So in this lesson, we will come to read about the story of a king who has 3 questions and he is seeking answers to them. So what are those 3 questions? Did the king get the answers? Come, let us see what happens in this story. Children, if you have the PDF format, please open the lesson 3 questions and follow me. The thought came to a certain king that he would never fail if he knew 3 questions, 3 things. What is the right time to begin something? Who should a king listen to? What is the most important thing for a king to do? Children, as a king, he is a certain king who got these 3 questions in his mind. If he get the answers for these 3 things, he will be the successful king. He thought like this and he had these 3 questions in his mind. What are those 3 questions? What is the right time to begin something? Means, as a king, he feels like what is the correct time or the right time if you want to begin something. Then who should a king listen to? As a king, whom he should listen to? What is the most important thing for a king to do? So as a king, what is the most important thing for a king to do? These 3 questions I asked you as a common man. What do we do in all these 3 things? I asked you people. But even this king is having the same problem, same questions as a king. What he wanted to do for these 3 questions. He wanted answers to get all these 3 questions. So these 3 are the questions. If he solve all these 3 questions, if he get answers for these 3 questions, he will never be a failure person. He will become a successful man. In reply to the first question, some said the king must prepare a timetable and then follow it strictly. Others said that it was impossible to decide in advance the right time for doing something. The king should do whatever seemed necessary at that time. Children, these questions he asked his subjects. He asked many people. So, coming to the first question, that is, what is the right time to begin something? He got few answers like this from his people. Some said that king must prepare a timetable. So, few of them told to prepare a timetable and he has to follow that strictly. Others said that it was impossible to decide in advance the right time for doing something. Some people told if you want to do something, it is not possible to follow the timetable or some other thing. It is impossible to decide in advance. So, when the situation comes, we have to decide. In advance, we cannot decide the right time to begin something. The king should do whatever seemed necessary at that time. So, some of them said, whatever he feels to do, whatever he feels necessary to do at that time, he should do. So, these are the answers he got from others. Yet others said that the king needed a council of wise men who would help him act at the proper time. But then others said that there were some things which could be urgent. These things could not wait for the decision of the council. So, some people told that it's better to have a council of wise men, means the knowledgeable people to appoint the council of ministers or a knowledgeable person to help him to decide the proper time. But others said in case of emergency, in case of urgency, we cannot decide the time. So, these things could not wait for the decision of the council. The wise men will not answer at the right time. They may be late. So, all these things were puzzled. So, they were all in confusion. So, king did not get the right answer. In order to decide the right time for doing something, it is necessary to look into future. So, some people said that children, in order to do something right at the right time, it is necessary to look for the future. Is it possible? No. Future does not depend upon the proper situation present, and only magicians could do that. So, future who knows? So, some people are suggesting magicians, they can guess the future and they can give the answers. The king therefore would have to go to the magicians. So, some people advised better to go for magicians, and even king thought of going to magicians. In their answers to the second question, some said that the people most necessary to the king were his counselors, others said priests, a few others chose doctors, and not yet others said that his soldiers were the most necessary. What is the second question, children? Who should a king listen to? So, for this he got number of answers, like when a king want to listen to, he should listen to the most knowledgeable people like counselors or priests who worship in the temple, or he should choose the doctors who advise for the treatment, or he should listen to the soldiers who are most necessary. So, like this for second question also he got different answers. To the third question, some said attack, others chose fight, and yet others religious worship. as the answers to his questions were so different. The king was not satisfied. He decided to seek the advice of a certain hermit who was widely known for his wisdom. What was the third question, children? What is the most important thing for a king to do? So he got answers like this. Some said attack, some said choose the fight, means war, and at others religious worship, means he wanted to pray the God. He wanted to concentrate on the worship. As the answers to his questions were so different, the king was not satisfied. See, children, all these different varieties of answers were not satisfied. So he was not happy with all these answers. Finally, he decided to seek the advice of a certain hermit who widely known for his wisdom. Children, who is hermit? A person who lives alone and leads a simple life, like a disciple, like a simple man leading a very simple life. So, who lives alone, like the sages, the rishis. So, they don't bother about the other things, they live alone in peaceful and calm manner. So, such people are called as hermits, and finally, king decided to meet him, who was widely known for his wisdom. Means they will be more knowledgeable people. So, this type of things he decided. So, in this lesson, we have learnt about the three questions which was there in the mind of the king, and he thought that if I get the answers for these things, he will be a successful king. So he asked all his subjects, the people gave different answers, which was not satisfied by the king. Finally, he thought of meeting a hermit. A hermit, a person who lives alone. So, this type of meeting hermit will helpful in getting the answer. So, the king thought like this and he decided to meet the hermit. Children, go through the textbook format, and if you get any doubts, please free to call me. Thank you, children. Stay home, stay safe. Jai Shri Gurudev.